What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the oxygen sensors on this Ford Focus with 1 liter EcoBoost engine. The O2 sensors on this car are located on top here, and there is one more on the bottom there, which makes them quite easy to get access to. However, if you want to test them with a multimeter, it's not going to be possible because they are wideband oxygen sensors, and therefore you're going to need a scan tool like this, which allows you to see live data from the oxygen sensors or long-term fuel trim, short-term fuel trim. So first I'm going to show you how to do that. On the driver's side, you got to open this extra storage, press on these rubber walls, and there it is, the OBD2 port. So you can see with the car running in closed loop, which means that the engine is using all the sensors to monitor the air which is coming in and out. The sensor 1 equivalence ratio is around 1000, which is the number you want to see. It means that the stoichiometric ratio is correct. It means that there is 14.7 air and 1 part of fuel into the combustion. This is what at least the sensor is detecting. So in short terms, you gotta have some experience with this, but at least what you can see without having any experience is what's going to happen when you accelerate, when you basically open the throttle, and you should see some reaction from the sensor, like these spikes. Now with that being said, let me show you how to remove these sensors. Let's take out this cover. One more down here next to the mass airflow sensor. Now if you have a look down there, you're gonna see two connectors. You gotta press on this tab, not lift it up. You gotta press it in, and here it comes, and here they come. Now if you don't have an oxygen sensor socket, then you can go ahead and use a 22mm wrench. Here it comes, the first one. Now I'm going to attempt to remove the second one as well with this wrench. Alright, so I try with the wrench, it's not working. Here it comes. It's a good idea if you have like a long ratchet, it's gonna be much easier. You need something like this size, and you need here to have the ratchet in order to match the hole, otherwise you cannot fit it in there since there is no much space to spin it. But anyway, now the sensor can be removed. One thing you'll notice about these connectors is that you cannot interchange them like you will do if you have an old car and you have a code for the sensor number 1. Then you will change it with the sensor number 2 and you will see if there is the same result, the same codes. So from this point, the installation is the reverse process of removing it. Plug them back here. Also, if you want to see a couple of tests you can do on the oxygen sensors, I'm gonna put a link in the description below with a video I made about other car which has the same sensors, so you can see there how I did test them. Alright guys, that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos about this Ford Focus, there is gonna be a link in the description below with all the videos I made about it. Also, if you want to stay tuned and see more car repair videos I'm gonna make in the future, hit that subscribe button as well. And until next time, drive safe so I can see you soon.